Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a delicious snack cracker? Then check out these Simple Mills almond flour crackers. If you are looking for a grain-free, crunchy snack, then you're gonna love these crackers so much. I love that they are the perfect bite-sized shape, and just check out that crunch. These crackers have really simple ingredients in them, everything you can pronounce, you know exactly what it is. And I also like that you can really see what is in these crackers. So I really love that when you can see what is in the food that you're eating, so you know exactly what's in it. I think these are an awesome, delicious, and healthy snack that I eat all the time and love to have them in the pantry. The rosemary really comes through and you can taste it, but it's not overwhelming. So you cannot go wrong with these delicious crackers. I really love them. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.